When I went to Amherst College, one of my colleagues knew that I spoke some Yiddish. I guess, Yiddish, a Jewish guy, and he knew I spoke some Yiddish. And that was how I got involved with the book center, because he knew his wife was on staff at UMass, and she had a friend in whose living room the book center was begun. I think his name was Jules Pickus, and he just sort of set me up. They wanted some people to start this, come to his living room, and we're going to discuss this. And that's where I met Aaron. Definitely the younger man, and I thought he was very earnest and very idealistic, but I think nobody thought it would work. And everybody wanted it to work, but it was, and no, I mean, even the older people were not so old, the more mature, the adults in the room. I was sort of more one of the kids, but I think we were very taken by his enthusiasm and his vision, even from word one. And it was like impossible to naysay anything, because Aaron was such a special person. And even though I would say that most of us would have viewed the prospectus as very poor, we said, okay, we'll try it. And maybe part of that was naivete, because we didn't know what we were getting into and what you needed to run an organization. But, everybody said, yes, okay, we're doing it. And this must have been early 1980, I think, something like that. And it was just in his living room. There was a white carpet that I remember, and a big piano, or a piano, I don't, and it was just getting together to do something.